Hello everyone, myself Dr. PINAL will discuss about the topics of micrometer screw. In short, we will discuss all the subtopics of this particular device. From this discussion, you can understand principles, list count, diagram, construction and working of micrometer screw. ગુજરાતીમાં સિદ્ધાંત માઇક્રોમીટરનું એની લઘુત્તમ માપશક્તિ એની રચના અને કાર્યપદ્ધતિ. It is from the topic, this topic is from the chapter Unit and Measurement and the subject is engineering physics. We very well know that micrometer screw is a very precise, I can say that, and a very important apparatus in the field of engineering. We can say that this device is used to measure smaller dimensions than vernier calipers. Vernier calipers करता भी ओछું માપ માપી શકે છે. You can measure up to 100 part of a millimeter or 1000 part of a centimeter. Why the name? We'll see it in the next slide. But basically, the importance of this is to measure the small dimensions such as length, thickness, breadth, diameter of an object, of a wire, thin wire. Okay. Basically, this I can say that micrometer screw uses an auxiliary scale. The measure, I can say that there are about 100 parts of a millimeter. Any auxiliary scale millimeter na 100 parts સુધીનું measurement કરી શકે છે. So this is very important. You can go to the very small measurement of an object. Yes. Many of you must be knowing that this particular apparatus was designed by William Gascoigne. Basically, he was an astronomer, and during his viewing of the sky in the telescope, he was not able to capture some of the dimensions. So he designed this particular apparatus in the telescope. And later on, with the modifications, we are saying this particular apparatus or particular device as a micrometer screw gauge. Why the name? We can see it. The same figure, we will see it in the diagram section. Why the name micrometer? It's very simple. Micro, which is nothing but 10 raised to minus 6. So it is nothing but unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh part of a meter can be measured using this particular device. So the name, micrometer screw, that is a screw type arrangement. So the word we have to place here, that is the screw. Okay. Micro એટલે 10⁻6 ઘાત. બરાબર. 1 મીટરના 10 લાખમાં ભાગનું માપ માપી શકે છે. તેથી એનું નામ આપણે એને માઇક્રોમીટર સ્ક્રૂ કહીએ છીએ. What is the principle? Basically, it is working on the principle of screw and nut. As we know that the screw rotates 1 revolution on the screw, then the screw moves linearly by 1 pitch distance. What is pitch? I will say you later on. Screw ને એક પૂર્ણ પરિભ્રમણ આપતા તે તેના બે ક્રમિક દોરા વચ્ચેના અંતર જેટલું મુખ્ય સ્કેલ ઉપર ખસે છે. That is nothing but the principle on which this particular device is working. It's a simple figure. We can see that there is a U-shaped metal frame. On one side of this U-shaped frame, there is an anvil. U-shape ની ધાતુની પટ્ટી છે. એક સાઈડે anvil છે, એક સાઈડે screw છે. This is a screw part. Some of the micrometers you will able to see the screw itself is coming here out. ઘણા બધામાં આવું મેટલ પાર્ટ બી જોવા મળે છે, ઘણામાં ડાયરેક્ટલી સ્ક્રૂ જોવા મળશે. Here you are placing the object. જેનું બી મેઝરમેન્ટ કરવાનું હોય, we are placing that object between anvil and screw. Same as vernier calipers, here there is a main scale which is calibrated in mm. Main scale આનો mm માં calibrated હોય છે. In the main scale there is a very important part, I can say that, which is useful in taking the readings, that is baseline. અવલોકન લેવામાં આ પર્ટિક્યુલર બેઝલાઇન જે આ આડી છે એનો ખૂબ જ ઉપયોગ થતો હોય છે. There is a circular scale of about 100 divisions, which I said it earlier. Different circular scales, micrometer are also there. This is the timbal part and the rattach part. Rattach is the part from where we are operating the micrometer screw. Micrometer screw ने rattach થી खोल बंद करता होइए છીએ આપણે. Okay. What next? That is the list count of the apparatus. What is list count? Okay, bhai, smallest value that can be measured by micrometer is called its list count. Micrometer screw દ્વારા નાનામાં નાનું માપ માપી શકાય તે તેની લંબાસા કહે છે. ગુજરાતીમાં you can write this, you get that 1 mark. What is the formula? It is pitch upon total divisions on the circular scale. Pitch ભાગ્યા વર્તુળાકાર સ્કેલના કુલ કાપા. Yes, just now I said it, there are 100 divisions. How this value of pitch is 1 mm, that we can see it in the slide in front of you. The distance between the two consecutive threads is called as pitch, first of all. I said it, okay, this is the anvil part, this is the screw part. એ જે આ સ્ક્રૂ છે એ સ્ક્રૂમાં બે ક્રમિક આંટા વચ્ચેના અંતરને પીચ કહે છે. The value of pitch is 1 mm. Basically, in a laboratory, the micrometer is having the pitch value is 0.5 mm. 2 full turns are required to close the jaws by 1 mm. 2 turns તમે બંધ કરશો ને ત્યારે 1 mm ખસશે મેઇન સ્કેલ ઉપર. એટલે સ્ક્રૂનો એક આંટો ફરશે તો મેઇન સ્કેલ ઉપર 1 mm ખસ્યું હશે. There will be a displacement of 1 mm when the screw is 2 full turns are being closed, or I am moving that particular screw. બે પૂરા આંટા. Okay, so by keeping this value of pitch 1 mm, I can get the list count 0.01 mm. That is the list count of micrometer screw. Okay. In case of centimeter, I can write the same as 0.001 cm. That is the list count in the case of centimeter. If I measure it or I want to get the readings in centimeter. But basically, the apparatus main scale is always in mm. So you get the answers also in mm only. Yes, there are 100 divisions which are shown here. Okay. What are the parts? We all know that, or just now I said to you, anvil and the screw part is the part where which we are placing the object. There is a main scale, મુખ્ય scale, circular scale, વર્તુળાકારનો scale, timbal and rattach. ગુજરાતીમાં anvil ને આપણે anvil જ કહીએ છીએ. Screw is also called the same. Timbal and rattach also we are saying same thing in Gujarati also. If we go to the construction part, main scale, the whole apparatus is made up of metal. As in the video of vernier calipers, I have given you a technique to write the construction. If you want to construct the body of, or if you want to write the construction, so you can ask the questions what it is made up of, where it is placed, and why it is placed. આ ત્રણ સવાલના જવાબ તમે લખી દેશો તો એનું રચના કે કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જશે પાર્શિયલી. શેનું બન્યો છે, ક્યાં મૂક્યું છે અને શા માટે મૂક્યું છે. It is made up of metal. It is always fixed and it is used for taking the reading. Basically, whole of the micrometer is made up of metal. એક્ઝામમાં દર વખતે આ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. મેં ભલે અહીંયા લખ્યું છે. You can write it in a simple line. before starting the construction. કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનની શરૂઆત કરો એ પહેલા અહીંયા લખી શકો છો કે માઇક્રોમીટર સ્ક્રૂ ધાતુમાંથી બનાવવામાં આવે છે. પછી હરેક પાર્ટ વિશે ક્યાં મૂક્યું છે અને શા માટે મૂક્યું છે, where it is placed અને why it is placed. Circular scale, it is placed on the main scale ઉપર સ્લાઇડ કરતું જોવા મળે છે. This is that circular scale. Yes, you can see here it is sliding on the main scale. જે અહીંથી હું રેટેડથી અને ક્લોઝ या ઓપન કરીશ તો this part will be moving. આ જે દેખાય છે એ પાર્ટ મૂવ થશે અને it will be sliding either towards the screw part or away from the screw part. Okay, the circular scale is the part which I can say it is the movable part. ખસી શકે છે. Screw and anvil, it is connected to the U-shaped metal frame and it is used for placing the object. Jaws ના જેવું કામ કરે છે. They are working as a jaws. If I talk about vernier or if I compare it with vernier. Thimble and ratchet, they are the part from where I can say a ratchet is the part from where I will operate the micrometer. So if it is in a proper condition, તમે micrometer ને ratchet થી બંધ કરશો object મૂક્યા બાદ, so there will be a cut voice. એક cut અવાજ આવશે. Once that cut voice is heard, I have to stop further movement of the ratchet so that the object, if it is a soft object, you won't get the proper dimension. જો તમે એને બંધ કર્યા જ જશો તો એ બંધ થશે because it's a metal. Once a cut voice is heard, you have to stop that movement. That is nothing but the functioning of the ratchet. How to take the readings? Important question in the GTU. Give the method to find the diameter of a wire using micrometer screw gauge. કાર્ય પદ્ધતિ. પાતળા વાયરનું વ્યાસ શોધવાની માઇક્રોમીટરની રીત સમજાવો. These points are same as the vernier caliper. First of all, you have to go for the least count. જેમાં આપણે શોધી check the errors. This thing you can check it in the video of the errors. How to find the error of the micrometer. It can be positive, negative or zero error. Place the object between anvil and screw. Third step, take the main scale reading. Find the matching division of the circular scale. વર્તુળાકાર સ્કેલનો બંધ બેસતો કાપો શોધવાનો છે. મુખ્ય સ્કેલનું અવલોકન લીધા બાદ એ જે બી જવાબ આવે એને લીસ્ટ કાઉન્ટ જોડે ગુણી કાઢવાનું છે. લંબાસાને બંધ બેસતા કાપા સાથે ગુણાકાર કરો. Multiply the least count with the matching division of the circular scale. Your answer is nothing but the addition of the product with the main scale. તમારું જે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કર્યું લીસ્ટ કાઉન્ટ જોડે બંધ બેસતા કાપાને, એનો જે જવાબ આવે એને મેઇન સ્કેલ જોડે એડ કર દો, you will get the answer. Okay, but this answer may be having some error because the instrument was having the error. If there is error, you have to nullify it by correcting the error. If the error is positive, you minus it. If the error is negative, you add it to the answer. That will give the final answer. Clear? We can go for one of the readings. I can show you how to take the reading. I have taken two figures. પહેલી ફિગરમાં મેં એવું બતાવ્યું છે કે આ એપરેટર્સમાં એરર છે અને સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ધ ફિગર that is I have taken by placing the object. Object મૂકી દીધા બાદ circular scale ખસીને દૂર જતો રહે છે. એ અહીંયા ફિગરમાં દેખાય છે in the second figure. Okay, sorry. What is the error? You must be knowing if the zero of the circular scale is below the baseline. Circular scale no zero baseline કરતા નીચેના ભાગમાં હોય so it is called as positive error. So first of all, what I will say, the error is positive. Am I right? It is positive error. How many divisions error is there? કેટલા division zero નીચે જતો રહ્યો છે? So 1 and 2. There is a positive error of 2 division. બે division ની positive error છે 1 and 2. Okay, so what I have to do is, what will be my correction in this case? That is, I have to multiply it with the list count. So the error will be 0.02 mm. That is positive error. Okay, 0.02 mm. It is positive error. Sorry, positive error. Now what I will do. This is my second step. If you have heard it clearly, what is the next step? That is to take the main scale reading after placing the object મૂકી દીધો. મુખ્ય સ્કેલનું અવલોકન લઉં છું. After placing the object, the circular scale has been displaced. A circular scale જે અહીંયા 0 પર હતું, ખસીને આગળ જતી રહી. So what is my main scale reading? M. What is the main scale reading? So here the main scale reading is, how many divisions you are able to see? 0, 1 and 2. So 2 mm is my main scale reading. Okay. What is the next step after taking the main scale reading? Find the matching division of circular scale. વર્તુળાકાર સ્કેલનો બંધ બેસતો કાપો શોધો. So which division is matching with the baseline? See, just now before 7 minutes I have said that okay, baseline is very important in taking the reading. This is the function of a baseline. Okay, circular scale no કયો કાપો baseline જોડે match થાય છે. This is 35, 36, 37. So what I will write here, my value of n is equal to 37. Yeah, 35, 36, 37, which is matching with this 37 division. That's it. Okay. What is the next thing I have to do is 37 multiply by discount 0.01, which will give me 0.37 mm. Yeah. What is the next step after this? See, this is step number 6. I have done. This is step number 6. વર્તુળ આકારનો બંધ બેસતો કાપો શોધો. It is 37. Multiply it with the list count 0.037. What is the next step? That is the addition. Can I write this next step here? What it will be? Main scale reading is 2 plus 0.37, which will give the answer 2.37 mm. Am I right? This is my answer. Addition. After adding it, what I am getting, that is 2.37 mm. This is my observed reading. But is this reading right? No. I have not nullified the error. So what is the corrected answer? That is, as the error is positive, you have to subtract 0.02 from the reading, which will give me 2.35 mm. This is my right answer. So the dimension of the object, what I am measuring, is 2.35 mm. Clear to you? Same thing. I have taken one more picture also to understand the second type of error. In the second figure, I have taken the opposite error. The zero of the circular scale is above the baseline. Circular scale no zero baseline करता ऊपरना भागમાં છે, એટલે error કયું થશે? Okay, this is negative error. First of all, okay, કેટલાનું છે? To check the divisions, this is not 47. It is કેટલા zero displaced થઈ ગયું છે. So 1, 2 and 3, positive 3 division error. Okay, so what I have to do is, once again, 3 multiplied by 0.01, which is equal to 0.03 mm. That is my error. Okay, so can I write here what is the error? Okay, 0.03 mm, and it is which error? Okay, this is negative error. I will write here negative. Okay, what is the observed reading? Same way, how many divisions there are on the main scale? Simple count it, 1, 2, 3. What I will write here? Main scale reading, capital M is equal to 3 mm. Okay. What is the next step? Matching division. Kયું division match થાય છે? 36. So N is equal to 36. What is the next step? 36 multiplied by 0.01 mm, which is equal to 0.36 mm. And what is the final step? That is 3 plus 0.36, which gives you 3.36 mm. This is my observed reading. That I can write it here, 3.36 mm. This is my observed reading which is containing an error. I have to nullify it. As the error is negative, I will add it. Error શૂન્ય ત્રુટી છે એટલે આપણે જવાબમાં એનું વત્તાકાર કરવું પડશે. I have to add it, so it will be 0.03, which is nothing but 3.39 mm. That is nothing but the method to take the reading. 0 baseline करता ऊपर होय negative error, 0 baseline करता नीचे होय positive error. Okay, if it is below positive, above negative. This is the way you will take the reading. Okay, if we move to the last part of the video, which is as usual, I am giving you the questions from the topic which has been discussed. The very important questions, I can say all the questions are asked in GTU now and then. Draw neat and clean label diagram of micrometer screw, 3 to 4 marks question. Give the list count of micrometer screw. Micrometer screw ની નામ નિર્દેશન સાથે સ્વચ્છ આકૃતિ દોરો. માઇક્રોમીટર સ્ક્રૂ નું લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિનું સૂત્ર લખો અને તેની વ્યાખ્યા આપો. વર્કિંગ ઓફ માઇક્રોમીટર સ્ક્રૂ. Micrometer screw ની કાર્યપદ્ધતિ સમજાવો. This can be asked in different manners. Find the diameter of the wire using micrometer screw. જવાબ એક જ રહેશે. માઇક્રોમીટર સ્ક્રૂ ની મદદથી પાત્રા વાયરનું વ્યાસ શોધો. જવાબ હમણાં મેં તમને જે પેલા 7-8 પોઈન્ટ છે આપણા એ જ રહેશે. What is pitch? The distance between the two consecutive threads. બે ક્રમિક દોરા વચ્ચેનું અંતર. Give the construction of micrometer with a diagram. Micrometer નું રચના આકૃતિ દોરીને સમજાવો. Okay, that will complete the things. Thank you.